how to turn on or off Wi-Fi Assist on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Mini, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. The essence of Wi-Fi Assist is this will allow your iPhone to automatically switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. So if you are on mobile data or Wi-Fi and you have a strong Wi-Fi internet connection, this will switch the mobile data straight to your Wi-Fi. As you can see here, I have my Wi-Fi turned on. Then if I turn on mobile data as well, instead of using mobile data, this is going to be using Wi-Fi straight. You see that? Then here, I'll just walk you through why you can easily turn on the Wi-Fi Assist or turn it off on your phone. So if I don't know this, you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on Wi-Fi Assist, all you just need to go ahead and open the settings app of your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down, click on mobile service or cellular service. Then scroll down the page. Just keep scrolling on your mobile service or cellular service page. Then locate Wi-Fi Assist and turn this on. Automatically use mobile data when Wi-Fi connection is poor. So if your Wi-Fi connectivity is poor, your iPhone will switch to mobile data. And if you have a very strong Wi-Fi connection, then your iPhone will switch from mobile data to Wi-Fi. Then if this is disabled, then go ahead and turn this on. The essence of this, you no longer need to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data whenever you have the two available. Your iPhone will automatically switch between the two networks by using either Wi-Fi or mobile data, depending on the one that has the strongest internet connection. So that is basically how to turn on or turn off Wi-Fi Assist on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.